Ait squel cm anthipe Jessica, Hul'qumi'num nomatonic. Good afternoon, my friends. It's me, Jessica. It's so good to see you guys today. I have a story to read for you. It's called Sharing Our World, Animals of the Native Northwest Coast. I did read a story earlier called Sometimes I Feel Like a Fox. That was all about animals too. But the cool thing about this story is that these are all animals that are right here where we live. Sharing our world. Our ancestors, Shatinus, lived in harmony with the wildlife that surrounded them. Each animal was honored for its gifts and special qualities. Carved from cedar, totems tell stories of our people's relationship to animals. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find the Hul'qumi'num word for totem. The thunderbird, squalus, is so huge it creates thunder as it flaps his wings. The wolf, Stakaya, is a great hunter, provider, and protector. Salmon, Steethden, have always been our most important food source. We can protect salmon by keeping our rivers and our oceans clean. Frogs, wuxus, are held in high esteem by many nations along the coast. They can live on land and in the water, teaching us to adapt to different situations. Beavers, scaleo, are known as industrious and determined, teaching us about having purpose. Owls, spalquitze, are able to see clearly in the dark and are considered to be insightful and wise. Bears, spe'eth, are powerful and strong yet humble. They offer us guidance. Otters, tummus, like to play and enjoy the world around them, inspiring us to enjoy life too. Raven, spal, is the trickster, bringing the moon, sun, and stars to the world. Raven teaches us to be clever and creative. An eagle, yaquale, flying overhead represents good luck. If you have ever seen an eagle up close, you understand why this majestic bird is so well respected and honored. Yaquale. Tortoises, shkapawits, teach us to have patience, to think before we talk, and to plan before we act. Hummingbirds, Swetzeli, provide us with the gift of friendship. They represent good fortune and peace. The butterfly, squawelhe, although small and fragile, is an important symbol of the change within ourselves and the world. An octopus, Schemuk, has the flexibility to adjust to its surroundings, inspiring us to adapt to the different situations in which we find ourselves. As the people of the coast, we are deeply connected in spirit to the whale, Qannas. The song of the whale is considered by some to be the voices of our ancestors. Shtinus. The end. That's our story. Which animal is it that you think represents you and who you are? I want you to think about that. Everybody have a great day. AA with.